welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. As for today, I would like to ask whether have you all subscribed? If you have not, please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share a recipe, a curry recipe which we use lentils and also vegetable. So let us see the ingredients. Yellow lentils soak for 3 hours. Onions, ginger, garlic, tamarind pulp, carrot, potato, curry leaves, long beans, tomato, red and green chilies, brown brinjal, tamarind juice, chili paste, curry powder, beef, coconut milk, dried chilies, fennel, star anise, cinnamon stick, cardamom, and cloves. Salt, sugar, ghee, oil, and water. Okay, first we boil the lentils. I'm going to add in the beef together with the chili paste. And my spices. Cut the onions. Ginger and garlic. Add some water and blend. Add the blend ingredients and bring to boil. Now I'm going to add in the curry powder. And also the tamarind juice. And the tamarind pulp. Boil further. I'm going to cut the vegetables. We make it chunky. Can add into the gravy. Now the potatoes. Now the eggplant. The long beans. The tomatoes. And the chilies. I'm going to cut into half and I'm going to do this. We just cut. I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Together with salt and sugar. Okay, now I'm going to add in the rest of the vegetables, the chilies, slice the onion, I'm going to heat up the oil and ghee. Together with the curry leaves. My fennel. And also my chilies. Once the onion turns brown, not too brown, I'm going to pour this into the curry. I'm going to boil further for 5 minutes. Okay, now I can put off the fire and my vegetable lentil curry is done. Here is my vegetable lentil curry. It's very simple and very appetizing. You can eat with bread also. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai and press the bell button.